Here, in this pandemic, everything is marking its identity. So we have to analyze supply chain management. So it accounts to one term, shifts, when every other factor function except the own price of a commodity. Then we have shifts. Shifts can be forward, which depicts increase in supply, and decrease in supply is a backward shift. Let's check it out. So warmly welcome you in new phase of learning supply and
or shifts of supply curve. The factors other than price mark their identity here. You are considering the factors such as government policies, cost of input, your subsidies, your taxation policy of government, then you have cost of inputs, etc. considered. They are not affecting your price, they are affecting your cost. So we will consider factors other than own price. So this will mark us with the word and the term shifts in supply curve. These are two types. One is leftward shift, rightward shift. We will going to study the relationship between them and its determinants. Rightward shift indicate positive change. Rightward means we will move forward. Increase in supply. Leftward shift means backward shift. Negative effect. We will going to decrease our supply. Every factor is prominent and this factor will be other than price and its relationship. So here is the curve in front of you which shows you increase in supply, forward shift, and we are moving from S1 to S2. But check, the price column says 10 rupees. So the price are constant. First assumption, price is constant, and second, other than own price, product price will fluctuate. So check it out. The quantity have relationship with the factors, and that could be direct or indirect. So here decrease in supply, backward shift. We are seeing negative effect and the price is constant 10 rupees. Quantity fluctuate.
Today we will learn one of new topics of yours, and you have studied under the heading of determinants of your supply curve. So we will mark today the shifts of supply curve. The shifts of supply curve. Look, our supply get affected by various factors. Factors affecting supply. Factors affecting supply, they are of two types. One is own price. Other is other than own price. When we will mark own price, so we have learnt in previous class, this is movement along supply curve. If it is own price, then movement along supply curve. When it is other than own price, it reflects shifts of supply curve. So today we will learn about shifts of supply curve. Shifts of supply curve takes place due to other factor than own price. ऐसे एलिमेंट्स जो आपके प्राइस नहीं है, प्राइस इज कांस्टेंट. मार्क assumptions. Number 1 says price constant. Price will not change. Second, other than own price. Factors have variation or changes. In your simple language, अगर आपके प्राइस कांस्टेंट है और अदर देन ओन प्राइस के फैक्टर्स की वजह से आपकी सप्लाई कर्व में इफेक्ट हो रहा है, फ्लक्चुएशन हो रही है, देन इट इज शिफ्ट. एंड एग्जाम्पल्स आर योर गवर्नमेंट पॉलिसीज. Government policies.
Here you mark two elements of it. One is tax and another is subsidy. Then another example I am giving you, cost of inputs. Third example I can give you with wages. Fourth example, and the best one example is your technology. Look, गवर्नमेंट की पॉलिसी को प्राइस से कोई इफेक्ट नहीं है, उसके लिए प्राइसेस की कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. दैट विल डील योर टैक्स एंड सब्सिडी. Then next is your cost of input, wages and technology. They are also not affected by price. Nobody will going to affect price. They are the other factors than own price. Now check out how it affects your supply. Look, firstly, our curve will shift. Then the first part we will talk about is your forward shift. Forward shift. And other is your backward shift. Forward shift represent increase in supply. Other represent your decrease in supply. क्योंकि हम पीछे आ रहे हैं तो किसी चीज के पीछे कब आएंगे? When we will move back, when we are decreasing. So this is called these. This is the name: forward shift, increase in supply; backward shift, decrease in supply. So here we will mark how we will present it in the form of table or schedule. It is table or schedule. So the table will be prepared as same as earlier. This is quantity supplied. Then we will draw it in the box. You should draw it in advance only in the box, but I am drawing it back later because I am habitual of doing it, and I am habitual of doing it like this only. आप इसको पहले ही construct कर सकते हैं. It is purely up to you. Look, price. We will going to keep price constant. Assumption is that no price fluctuation. Then 10. Then check quantity supplied 40. Then next is 50. Other factors are affecting. Examples are government policies, etc. I am giving you one only right now. Government policies. Government policies change हुई and our supply is increasing. And here we were marking taxes reduces. Tax हमसे government ने लेना कम कर दिया है. तो our profit will be better. So we will going to increase our supply. So here we will mark curve. Look, this is y-axis and this is your x-axis. Here we take quantity and here we take rupees, and that marks you with price. Here 5 rupees price. Here 10 rupees price. Here 15 rupees price. Here 20 rupees price. Here quantity is 10. Here I will now put scale. I am not putting it. You can draw it with the idea also. So you are habitual of drawing with the idea next time. Then you have 40 and then we have 50. Now check. 10 rupees. So our price is constant. Mark a line. But the quantity supplied is 40. So we will have our supply curve over here. The first supply curve. Like this. Then next is 50. So we will mark it on the same line, next one. Look, our curve is bettering out here, increasing. It is increasing. It could be like this also and it could be more tilted also, depend on market circumstances. Purely on market circumstances. Why it is moving forward? Because we are shifting from 40 to 50. It is going forward. So here we will mark S1 and this is S2. So we are moving we are moving forward from S1 to S2. Now come on the second side. Second side means to say schedule, that is price. Again the same, quantity supplied. So here we are marking 10 rupees price. Again 10 rupees price. Then quantity, firstly we will going to write 50, then we will going to write 40, because we will take reverse of it. Because our factors are other than price and the price is constant. पहले हम ज़्यादा supply कर रहे थे, अब बाद में कम कर रहे हैं. अब here also we need one reason, so I am taking government policies. Government policies. Earlier I have said कि government ने tax reduce कर दिया, now मैंने कह दिया government ने tax rises कर दिया. ऐसा भी तो होता है ना, sometimes government reduces, sometimes rises. So our curve will be same. Just one fluctuation will take place, that is your arrow. Always remember, one arrow will mark the shift. One arrow marks everything in economics. One arrow is very crucial. Y-axis. This is your x-axis. Then you have again price 5 rupees, 10 rupees, 15 rupees, 20 rupees. And we can demonstrate it like this also. If you remember, I told you already in advance. So now I am putting scale for you to understand how constructed out. Because I am habitual and I want that you should be also habitual. Stop using scale very sooner, because it's better not to use it. Now look, 10, 20, 30, 40 and this is your 50. Look, we were having 10 rupees price. Price is constant. Price is always constant when you talk about shifts. And now see, earlier we were having supply curve over here. So the point says here. So we are marking it here. Now at 40, so we will mark it here. Look, 40. So 40. So we are marking it here. So this is your S2 and this is your S1. Because you are supplying 50. So it is this one, 50. The price line is constant. The factors changing is your taxation policy. So we are moving from S1 to S2 because we are moving from 50 to 40. Now check. This is your points. You are coming back. So your supply is decreases and you will mark backward shift, back moving. And this will mark you S1 to S2. And that shows you decrease in supply. Decrease in supply. Decrease in supply takes place when you will going to reduce your quantity supplied due to other factor than price. Price change nahi hue. Price is same. So your profit will be same. But other prominent factor is affecting your profit. Like government policy is affecting your profit. गवर्नमेंट ने आपसे प्रॉफिट रिड्यूस करने की वजह बन गई. क्यों? क्योंकि वो उन्होंने आप पे टैक्स ज्यादा लगा दिया. सो योर कॉस्ट ऑफ इनपुट विल राइज. सो यू विल मूव बैकवर्ड. आप कम बनाओगे क्योंकि अब प्रॉफिट नहीं है ना. अगर गवर्नमेंट आपसे टैक्स कम कर दे तो आपको प्रॉफिट मिलेगा. सो यू विल मार्कअप लाइक दिस. समटाइम्स दीज टाइप्स ऑफ कर्व्स अकर. Sometimes these types of curves occur with other factors also. So right now we are considering government policies only, but it has technology effect also. Cost of input, labor, etc. takes place and market circumstances fluctuate. So whenever other than own price, then you will mark shift. So thank you. Have a quick recall. Scholars, today we have learned the supply curve shifts. And next time we will going to give it an extension. So here I demonstrated with the help of presentation and the notebook construction. So to have you a better understanding. So thank you for visiting.